Hello guys. Welcome to Canada Hotel Explorer. Today I am reviewing River Rapids Inn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. River Rapids Inn set in Niagara Falls, 1,640 feet from Whirlpool Aero Car. River Rapids Inn features air-conditioned rooms. Rooms are equipped with a flat-screen TV with satellite channels. Certain rooms feature a seating area for your convenience. Some rooms include views of the river or city. Every room is fitted with a private bathroom. Extras include free toiletries and a hairdryer. River Rapids Inn features free Wi-Fi. The hotel has only 4 floors and does not have an elevator. Parking is available in premises and charges will be incurred. The hotel also offers bike hire and car hire. Greyhound Canada is 2,625 feet from River Rapids Inn, while Casino Niagara is 1.7 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.